is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we have got us some airmail. Except they didn't stamp the stamp. I got no queen in the corner except on the stamp. But whatever. I've got me my order here from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. We're going to dive right in and see what I ordered. And it's quite a bit. Let me get my note from Charlie out. Many thanks for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. Feel free to tag us in any photos using Charlie's Nail Art Supply. We look forward to seeing your designs. Charlie! Love, love, love that. It's just so, it's handwritten. She does it with her orders. I think it's really cool. So let me push everything off to the left. We're going to go things one by one. Here are the strawberries and the cherries. You get 2 of each. Cute, cute, cute. I think I ordered more than one though. I don't remember what I ordered, but I don't know. Move stuff. Oh, here they are. 2 strawberries and 2 cherries. There we go. There we go. And here we are with the Princess Snow White. I think it's Snow White. Oh no, it's Princesses period. The nail foils. I cannot wait to use these. I buy 2 of things sometimes. One because I want 2 for myself, because I'm a hoard. Sometimes it's because I want to share and I'm putting them into the giveaway. Whoops. 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 Oh, I don't know where to go with things. We have got some beautiful, beautiful yellow flowers. Can't wait to use these. I don't know if you can still see them up there. We've got some black and yellow daisies. We have got 2 pouches, which is 4 grams of glitter dots, which is potion. 1 is for a giveaway. We have got the puzzle sequins, puzzle pieces. These will come in great handy for autism awareness collaborations. This dot mix, look at how pretty that is. I can just play with these all day. Barbie glitter dots. Since I'm going to go thirsty real quick here. Sorry about that. I have got some, oh shit, right on the back of them. There's Mickey Mouse's heads and Minnie, I believe. Yep, Minnie's in there too. Oh, and I always forget what these are called. I want to call them Fillmore. Filmos. I can't remember. I know somebody will throw it in the comments and remind me what they're called. We got the piano pieces. And if you haven't already checked out Charlie's, I'd invite you to do so because they have great, great products. Great, great products. We have another glitter dot mix here, and it's all sorts. This is what it says, all sorts. So this may be everybody that mixed in together. We have got the dolphin sequins. And this is 2 grams. This is so pretty. Okay, we got some snowflake sequins too. Iridescent. Love doing snowflake manicures. Okay, we have got some circle gems. 2 different, no, they're all one size. Another daisy, purple, the lavender, and the yellow. we have some bows here. They are it looks like they're pink, orange, and red dotted bows with a little bling in the center. Too cute. We have got, I think these are called Starry Night, maybe. I got two of them. They are nail foils. One is definitely for the giveaways. We have another bow just like the other one I just showed. Okay, we got some duplicates here. We have the yellow flowers for the first. Lavender and yellow daisies. And more piano pieces. I think the piano pieces I'm keeping though, and I'm not putting those in the giveaway. Let me see. We have got more Christmas water decals. I will be sharing these as well because some of these I do have duplicates, some of them I don't. Like here are two of these, so one will go into the giveaway. Alrighty. Oh, let me pause this, I'm sorry. You're back, I'm very sorry about that. That was the doctor's office calling. So we have this other Christmas decal, which I think I'm not sure if I have doubles for this one or not, but I will be checking that out. Foils. Put those aside. Some beautiful tropical flower wraps, nail art wraps. Pretty. This one here is, let me looky. Oh, look at the deers and the church. It's a nice wintry look, design. This is quite a lot. I do have a tendency to buy when I buy. This would be nice for Easter. We've got some, what are these? Musical notes. I know they're not, wait a minute. No, these are the anchors. These are the anchors. And then two decorative anchors. We have got one glitter mix. I only ordered one glitter mix in all this. Wow. Huh. This is a beautiful pink mix. It is called Blossom Delight. I think I had a sample of this, so I just had to buy me some. And for the rest of the water decals, we have some palm trees. Love. I'll be using these real soon. And this wintry scene. Look how beautiful that is. Love that. We've got some gold. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Can't wait to use that. We have got the red design as well. Trying to get where you can see it real well. I don't know if you can. And we have got some flame foils here. Hope you can see these. These are too cool. And then we have this, I think this is black, silver, hollow design here. I think that's really cool. It kind of reminds me of broken glass. Well, this is my Charlie's nail art haul for now. I still have one more coming on the way, which should be here in about a week. I think, maybe a few days. Oh, this is a lot of things. Remember, some of this is going in for the giveaways, so stay tuned for those. I have a summer of giveaways going on. Sorry, I have an itch up my back. summer giveaways every couple weeks. I'm starting to give away. Some are for everyone. Some are strictly international, some are strictly US because of shipping. I try to do my best to include everyone, and sometimes it's not always going to work out that way. I currently have one going on now for cuticle oil. Look for this giveaway. Enter there. It's for everyone. This is my nail haul from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. Hope you've enjoyed yourself. Hope you go check Charlie's out. I am an ambassador. I have a 10% off code, NAILEDIT10 in caps. I'll put that somewhere on the screen right here and during the video so everybody can see it. Go save yourself 10% off your total bill. And Charlie's is such high quality at such low prices. That's why I buy so much. This here in US dollars. Where's my envelope? With my discount, this was just a little over $20. And look at how many things I got. I mean, if I spread it out to show everything, it would cover my entire mat. The duplicates of everything, stuff that I can use in the winter time for the awareness ribbons, the dolphins, for mermaid scenes. It's just, I can share so much of this and keep it for myself at the same time. That's why I end up buying so much. I do want to share it. I love their stuff. I really do. But I'll quit. Check out Charlie's. I'll have the link in the description box as well as all my discount codes. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. I upload normally 3 times a week. Lately, I've had a tendency where it's just a little bit more. And I thank everyone for joining in, watching those other videos that are, off schedule. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the new subscribers. Thank you and welcome for being here. I have hit my 850 milestone, which just totally excites me, tickles me pink. My next one is 900. I am at 852. So I've got 48 more to go. And I know you'll help me get there. Hope you've enjoyed the haul. Look for the giveaways. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.